Guys, it's totally random and look at my dog. She needs to sneeze. She sneezed like 15 times. Kira. Hey. Kira. Kira. Hey. Look at. Let him see your face. Look on the right side. Kira. 1 second, you guys. Okay, there. Kira. Kira, it's just a ladder. Come on. Hey, let him see. Kira. Kira. Oh. I don't think she wants you guys to see. It's okay though, guys. I still gotta see right here. Come on. Do you need to sneeze? Do you need to sneeze? By the way, guys, I'm gonna be doing fidget spinner videos. I won't be able to make a video. I might be able to make a video tomorrow, but not the next because I'm going to a party. I still might though. No, it's 4 to 7. Yeah, I can just make a video still. So yeah, I'll be making videos tomorrow and the next day, hopefully. But I'll be getting fidget spinners pretty soon. So I'll do fake money. So I like to see pranks with that. Well, I'm gonna do pranks with that. You guys get to see. So yeah. Apparently you guys saw her face, but she ain't gonna do it anymore. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.